Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Mateen. This is a very special name that tells us something amazing about Allah. Al-Mateen means the strong one or the firm. It tells us that Allah is incredibly strong, stronger than anything we can imagine. Allah's strength never runs out and nothing can ever make him weak. Think about a big, tall mountain. Mountains are very strong, aren't they? They stand tall and firm even when strong winds blow. Mountains seem like they'll be there forever. Now think about a big, strong tree with thick roots going deep into the ground. Even when the wind blows hard, the tree stays standing because its roots hold it firmly in place. Trees are so strong. What about superheroes? Superheroes are super strong. They can lift heavy things and save the day. Kids love superheroes because they're so powerful and strong. Look at strong buildings and castles. They're built with strong walls and foundations. They stand tall and protect what's inside. Buildings can be very, very strong. But here's something important to know. Even though mountains, trees, superheroes, and buildings are strong, they can still get weak or break. Nothing in this world stays strong forever except Allah. Mountains can crumble and break apart over many, many years. Wind and rain can slowly wear them down. Even mighty mountains don't last forever. Trees can bend and even break in very strong storms. Sometimes their branches fall off or the whole tree can fall down. Even the strongest trees have limits. Even superheroes get tired. They need to rest and sleep. Sometimes they get hurt and need time to get better. Even the strongest superheroes aren't strong all the time. But Allah is different. Allah is stronger than everything in the whole universe. All the stars, all the planets, everything. Allah's strength is infinite, which means it never ends. It goes on forever and ever. Allah never gets tired. Allah never needs to rest or sleep. Allah never gets weak, not even a tiny bit. Allah is Al-Mateen, always strong, always firm, always powerful. Nothing can ever change that. Allah's strength holds everything together. The earth beneath our feet, the sky above us, the sun, the moon, and all of creation. Everything exists because of Allah's mighty strength. Isn't that amazing? So remember, mountains are strong, trees are strong, superheroes are strong, and buildings are strong. But Allah is stronger than all of them combined. Allah is Al-Mateen, the strong one who never gets weak. Now you know about Al-Mateen. Whenever you see something strong, remember that Allah is even stronger. Allah's strength protects us and takes care of everything. Thank you for learning with us today.